Okay, this particular question applies the replacement concept. Replacement concept. What is replacement all about? It is when you have one set of information here, right? Then they say there's another set. 3 glasses cost as much as 2 marks. At first, I know that 24 glasses plus 18 marks is 153. Then the second set of info tells me that 3 glasses is equal to 2 marks. So there are 2 sets of information here, okay? So I want to focus on getting the glass. So I want to replace all the marks as glasses. Don't copy it. I want to replace all the marks as glasses. That's why it's called replacement concept. Since I want to find glass, then focus on glass. I don't want the marks. Take away all the marks. Okay? This is how I'm going to do this question. I have 24 glasses plus 18 marks. That gives me $153. This is from my first information, right? The second information is this one, correct? This one, this part here. So my second information is, I know that 2 marks is also the same as 3 glasses. Can you see? So this one means 2 mark is 3 glasses. 3 glasses is 2 marks. It's the same lah. Just swap it, terbalik. Okay? So what I want to do now is I want to focus on getting everything to become glasses. Since I want glass, I change everything into glasses. Okay? So over here, if you can see, I have 18 marks, right? So 18 marks is equals to what? So this is what I'm going to do. Now we're focusing on this part. Okay? 18 marks is 3 glasses divided by 2 marks times 18 equals to, how do I do that? Right divided by left times the bottom. Right? This is on the right hand side. This is left hand side. This is divide. This is times. Okay? So 3 over 2 times 18. 3 divided by 2 times 18. Okay? So when I do this, I'm going to get, cancel, 1, 9. I get 27 glasses. So 2 marks is equal to 27 glasses. Okay? So now everything is in glasses already, right? So what I do is I'm just going to rewrite this 24 glasses plus now my 18 marks is already changed to become, oh, sorry, this is not 2 marks. This is 18 marks. Okay, sorry. So the 18 marks have already changed to become 27 glasses. And this is actually a total of $153, right? So I want to know the total number of glasses here. This will give me 51 glasses. That is $153. So 51 glass is $153. 1 glass is 153 divided by 51, and I will get $3. Answer.